Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. The Gonengo RGB Hexagon Light has a variety of colors and can bring you an extremely shocking viewing experience. Today, we will show you the DIY installation process of this product. This is a highlight of the RGB Hexagon Light, because its appearance can be interpreted in hundreds of shapes according to your ideas. With charming light color effects, you can fully show your personality in the space. Before installing the lamp, we need to confirm whether all components of the RGB Hexagon lamp are complete, including RGB Hexagon lamp module, connecting wires, controller, power adapter, etc. Then, you need to consider how to plan the installation of the lamps. You can lay out the required splicing pattern on the ground and determine the specific splicing position of each Hexagon lamp module. This can avoid frequent adjustments to the position of the lamps during the actual installation process. Next, you can fix the specific position of the module and use the provided double-sided tape or adhesive accessories to fix each Hexagon lamp module, ensuring that the connection ports between each module are aligned for subsequent connection. Once the modules are fixed, it's time to connect them. According to the designed pattern, connect each Hexagon Light module through connecting wires. Pay attention to the length and position of the connecting cable to avoid overly long or loose cables that affect the appearance. After the modules are connected, it's time to connect them to the controller. Make sure each connection port is plugged in tightly. Then, connect the controller to the power adapter. Now that everything is connected, it's time to debug the lights. After powering on, you can control the lights through the remote control to adjust the light color, brightness, and mode. Make fine adjustments as needed to ensure each Hexagon Light module is functioning properly and performing as expected. Finally, when you adjust the effect of this RGB Hexagon lamp to the most ideal state, you can match it with some decorative items according to the indoor scene to create a full artistic atmosphere. Gonengo RGB Hexagon lights not only have a variety of light colors, but also have DIY personalized splicing, which is quick and simple, allowing you to unleash your creativity and fully integrate light art with space. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.